You just came to the United States to work for an American company and you don't know exactly how much you are going to take home. And so here we have like a paycheck or pay stub that I ask an AI to generate to use as an example for you. So bear in mind that you have to know some terms here. Like the first one is your gross pay, which is like the full amount. In this case, for this example of 100K US dollars per year, so your gross pay per month is about like 8,000, or biweekly is 4,166 US dollars. So that's your gross pay. So after you get all your deductions, then you have your net pay. So net pay, which is here, is after you deduct uh, all your taxes, benefits, and everything. But just be careful, because if you think that you're going to pay only taxes, so you might be wrong and you might taking less than you're thinking at home, because you might have to pay other benefits as well. So let's explore that a little bit more. So from your gross pay in this example, 4,166 bi-weekly every 15 days, then that's your earnings. And then start, I'll jump this, it's just like employee information only, how much they match, or how much they contribute or they pay for your insurance costs, because they share with you. So let's start with pre-tax deduction. That's another term. Pre-tax is all deductions that you pay before you pay your taxes. So you have pre-tax and you have post-tax. Pre-tax is before you pay your taxes, post-tax after you pay your taxes. Two good examples here of pre-tax are HSA, Healthy Saves Account, and 401k. We are going to talk about that in other videos, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. So you have HSA, Healthy Savings Account, that if you put money in there, then you're not paying taxes. So it goes straight to that account without paying taxes. Your 401k also is going to be saved in a certain account without paying taxes on it. So here also health insurance and some other like benefits or insurances or whatever it is. So you have a certain amount of $860 deducted from your pre-tax deduction. So that's deducted first. Then you have your taxes. In this example, federal, Social Security, Medicare, and Illinois taxes, where the state that I live. You might be in a state that don't pay taxes, but bear in mind that depending on the state that you are, it might be considered. Then you have an addition of $850 US dollars deducted in taxes. And then you have your post-tax deductions, which here basically are some other benefits in insurance, total of $70. And guess what? From that 4,166, you are going to receive, wow, almost half of that, 2,384.94 US dollars. So bear in mind that's your paycheck. You are paying pre-tax deductions, taxes, post-tax deductions, and then you have your net pay. So bear in mind that when you start to work in an American company, as I did, if you're thinking only about taxes, you might be forgetting your benefits, that you have some additional costs. And when you assign to those benefits, you are taking less money home. So bear in mind that you have to consider that in your math, in your account, to plan accordingly and then get prepared for that, so you can provide your family accordingly and in a proper way. All right.